everywhere, people are talking about AI. Some people say it's amazing, some people hate it to the core. I think many of us are a little tired of hearing about AI all the time. But whether we like it or not, AI is becoming something we can't really ignore anymore. Knowing how to use AI is slowly becoming a basic life skill, just like typing, using Excel, making PowerPoint slides. Back then, people proudly listed those skills on their resumes. Today, people just expect you to know them. And I think AI is heading in the same direction. I made this video for a very specific group of people. My kids, my wife, students, parents, older adults who haven't started exploring AI yet, beginners, and anyone who feels overwhelmed by how fast AI is moving and has no idea where to begin. Have you used a fork before? Of course. A hammer? Okay, maybe not everyone. A pen? Definitely. If you've used any of those before, then congratulations, you already understand the basic idea of AI. Because AI is just a tool. No matter how much people hype it up, fear it, or argue about it,
AI is far more dangerous than nukes. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
At the end of the day, it's still a tool. And all we're really doing now is learning how to use a new one. Think about a pen. With a pen, you can write essays, write poems, draw pictures, sign documents, mark homework. Same pen, different uses. AI works the same way. You can use AI to draft emails, brainstorm ideas, help with studying, plan meals, summarize long articles, generate story ideas. That's all it is, a tool.
That's all it is, a tool. And like any tool, its value depends on how you use it.
If you spend enough time on YouTube, you'll see creators constantly comparing AI tools. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, DeepSeek. And they'll say things like, Gemini supports 1 million tokens, Claude writes better, Perplexity is better for research, ChatGPT has this feature. But honestly, for most normal people, these differences don't matter that much. All the major AI tools today are already very good. Here's how I think about it. Imagine you want to make a sandwich. So you go to the supermarket to buy bread. There are different brands. Maybe one tastes slightly better. Maybe one has nicer packaging. Maybe one is softer. But at the end of the day, they're still bread. They'll all make you a sandwich. That's how I see most AI tools right now. And when people talk about things like 1 million tokens, do you even know what that means in real life? It basically means the AI can read extremely long documents, even entire books. But honestly, how many of us actually read that? Probably not many.
So don't overthink it. If one tool works for you, great, use it. If another one feels easier or more natural, use that instead. Just try them out and see what fits you best. One thing I think stops many people from getting started with AI is this idea that they need to become experts first. They think, I don't understand technology, I'm not a programmer, I'm not good with computers. These are really not necessary.
The people who benefit the most from AI are not always the most technical people. They're often just the most curious. They ask questions, they experiment, they try things. Sometimes they get a good result, sometimes they get a bad result. But they keep exploring.
And I think that's the mindset we should have with AI. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to understand all the technical terms. You don't need to become an AI expert.
Just be curious, ask questions, experiment, see what happens. Because the people who will benefit most from AI in the future may not be the smartest people in the room. They may simply be the people who are willing to learn and try.
Today we covered 3 simple ideas. 1. AI is just a tool. 2. Don't stress too much about finding the perfect AI tool. 3. Curiosity beats expertise. And lastly, being knowledgeable about AI doesn't mean you need to become a programmer or build some fancy startup. Sometimes it simply means knowing what tools exist, being curious enough to explore them, and being willing to experiment and learn. That's all.